We know, right? Just I'm revising. This is the basic concept only. First, we will see hard disk. What is the purpose of hard disk? What is the purpose of hard disk? Yes, just see your definition. Like mostly we will use hard disk for storing the permanent files, right? You want to store permanent files, applications, and so anything. We have to use. We are using hard disk. Okay, now RAM. What is the purpose of RAM? We discussed now with respect to Linux system programming. We discussed it, right? RAM contains processors. RAM contain processor, right? See, when we execute like this /a.out, what will happen? When we run this command, what will happen? A processor is created, right? Where it is present? It is present in RAM. It is present in RAM. Okay. So what we have to say? RAM contains processors, and it contains temporary store. It contains some runtime data also. Okay, it have runtime data and processors. Okay, next processor. We know, right? Who will fetch, decode and execute? Who will fetch, decode and execute? Processor, CPU, right? Yeah. So this is the responsibilities of hard disk. Hard disk responsibility is to store data, to permanently store the data and files. Next, RAM. RAM mainly mainly the purpose of the RAM is to store the processors means applications. Okay, runtime applications, and temporarily it stores the data, runtime data. RAM contains runtime data. And next, processor, CPU. Processor, CPU is responsible for fetching, decoding, executing the code. Alright. Okay, this is the some brief about hard disk, RAM, and processor. I hope everyone.
Love our content? Hit subscribe for more awesome videos. We'll see you in the next one.